YouTube has added a new year-end recap feature similar to Spotify Wrapped. Want to check out your own YouTube recap? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to see and share your own YouTube recap. Now let's get started. To see your YouTube recap, first make sure you've updated your YouTube app to the newest available version. Then, open the YouTube app. Your recap may pop up right away when you open the app, but if you don't see a pop-up, tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap your 2025 recap is here. Your recap will then begin playing. This feature works similarly to stories on social media apps. You can tap through the different slides to see all the aspects of your recap, including topics you were interested in, your most watched channels, the types of content you watch the most, and your personality type based on your YouTube activity. You can tap the downwards arrow on any slide to save an image of it to keep as a memory or share to your social media profiles. You can also tap Share to immediately share it to your friends in a message or a social post. If you want to go back and save or share any slides you've already looked at, tap the left side of your screen to go back to previous slides. That's all it takes to see and share your YouTube recap for 2025. We hope you see our channel in your most watched list. Want to learn about more cool YouTube features? Check out our full playlist of YouTube tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.